Hi everyone, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today I am going to show you how you can edit items on your shopping list so that they will merge if they haven't already automatically done so. So let's hop on over to the app and I'll show you how we do it. So when you make a meal plan in Plan to Eat, you can then adjust the date range on your shopping list to match the dates of your meal plan to automatically generate your shopping list. So I've done that here with a meal plan that we have on our planner, and you can see that it has populated all of these items for me. And there are a few things here that I would like to edit so that they merge together. Now, if you have items on your shopping list that have the exact same name and units, they will automatically merge on your shopping list. But if there's something that's a little bit different, the shopping list won't automatically make it merge because we want you to be able to see all of the items on your shopping list and not miss anything because it merged incorrectly. So you can see here under condiments, I have mayonnaise and olive oil mayonnaise. And I'm just gonna rename the olive oil mayonnaise to be regular mayonnaise so that these two will merge. So here on the app, the thing that I need to do is tap on the pencil icon next to the item in order to edit it. And then I'm just gonna come in here and remove this from the title. And all of the other things I'm gonna keep the same because I want to keep the same amount and the same units. So then I can just tap save, and you'll see that the mayonnaise now adjusts there to be 3/4 of a cup because we had 2 3/8 of a cup. So you can make these kinds of adjustments on any of the items on your shopping list with that pencil icon. You can not only adjust the title, but you could go in here and you could change which store it's associated with or which category. You can also add additional notes. So for this barbecue sauce, if I have a specific brand of barbecue sauce that I like to buy, or if my family likes sweet barbecue sauce rather than spicy barbecue sauce, I can add those things in there so that I remember these things when I go to the grocery store. All right, so if you have any questions about merging items on your shopping list or editing items on your shopping list, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. There are also some help articles linked below in the description of this video. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.